total cost is given. Total cost is given. Is equal to 50 x square plus 75 y square. Subject to the constant x plus y equal to 250. You need to calculate the optimum cost by Lagrangian multiplier method. What will do? How will you solve this problem, Bhavika?
Yes, sir.
How will you solve the problem? How will you start?
So first we have to write that function of.
Yes. So Lagrangian function A equal to p x square plus 75 y square plus lambda into 250 minus x minus y. Then L1 equal to delta L by del x. Tell me the value del L by del x. Del L by del x. Tell me the value. Silajit.
Yes, sir.
Del L by del x. What would be the value? This is first order condition.
L by del x. Sir, 50x.
2 into 50 means 100. 100x. 100x. This term is 0 because x is not there. We are doing with respect to x. And
Zero.
here, lambda, yes, this is 0. Lambda into 250 here also 0. Lambda into x. Here x is there. So it is minus lambda into 1. Then again lambda into y. This is also 0. So x equal to 0. First order condition equal to 0, which implies 100x minus lambda equal to 0. Then this is equation number 1. Then L2 equal to del L by del y. Del L by del y. Muhammad Ayaz. Muhammad Ayaz. Muhammad Ayaz. Muhammad Ayaz, what will be the value of del L by del y? Hello Ayaz. If I don't get response, will you mark represent? Del L by del y. Gulfamullah. SM Gulfamullah. Del L by del y. Del L by del y. What will be the value? First term, since y is not present, so first will be 0. Here y is present, so derivation will be done here. Kriti Pramanik. Kriti Pramanik.
Yes, sir.
So what will be the value of del L by del y? This was equal to 0. 2 into 75, it's 150. 150 y. This into this, here no y means 0. This into this, no y means 0. This into this, only y is there. So minus lambda into 1 equal to 0. Equal to 150 y minus lambda equal to 0. Equation number 2. Then L3, del L by del lambda. Del L by del lambda.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Del L by del lambda. Here here lambda is not present means 0. Here also no lambda 0. This whole term is multiplied by lambda. So lambda is here. So that means del L by del lambda is equal to 1 into this one. So it is equal to 250 minus x
250
minus y equal to 0. This is equation number 3. Equation number 3. Then from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2. See here lambda lambda. So from equation 1 and 2, 100x equal to lambda and 150y equal to lambda. Therefore, 100x equal to 150y or x equal to 150 by 100 y equal to 1.5y. So x equal to 1.5y. This is equation number 4. Then put this value of x in equation number 3. Putting the or substituting the value of x in equation 3. What is equation 3? Equation 3 is 250 minus x equal to 150 or 1.5y, so that is 1.5y minus y equal to 0 or 250 minus 2.5y equal to 0 or 2.5y equal to 250 or y equal to 250 by 2.5 equal to 250 into 100 into 10 by 225 is 100. Y equal to 100. If y equal to 100, then here x equal to 1.5y. So x equal to 1.5 into 100 equal to 150. So you have got a values equal to 100. Sorry, x equal to 150 and y equal to 100. This value you have got. So x and y value you have got. Now you have to know whether this function maximizes the objective function or minimizes the objective function. Because your objective function was the cost function. That means optimum value of cost function will minimize the objective function, means cost function. So second order condition you need to check. What is the second order condition? Second order condition. Oh, I have already. Second order condition.
Square.
G2 square G2 square L11 G2 square L11 plus G1 square L22 G1 square L22 then minus 2 G1 G2 minus 2 G1 G2 L12 where gxy equal to gxy equal to 250 minus x minus y. So g1 equal to minus 1, g2 equal to minus 1. This is. Then G1 square, G2 square you will get, and L11 and L22. Say you have already calculated. Check it. L1 you have calculated how much? L1 is calculated 100 x minus lambda. 100 x minus lambda. So L11 equal to 100. Then L2 is calculated how much? L2 is calculated 150 minus lambda. L2 is 150 minus lambda. 150 y. 150 y. Minus lambda. So L22 equal to 150. Then L12 from the first one, 1 is there 2. Here that means there is no y, so it is equal to 0. L21 also here will be equal to 0. Now you put those values here. Put those values here. G2 square, G2 is minus 1. So minus 1 square, L11 is 100 into 100 plus G1 square, G1 is minus 1, L22 is 150 minus 2 into G1, G2, minus G1 is minus 1, G2 also minus 1, L12 into 0. Whatever may be the value, since it is multiplied by 0, it will whole term will be equal to 0. So it is equal to minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 square means 1. 1 into 100 plus 1 into 150 minus 0. So it is 0. So 100 plus 150 is equal to 250. 250 is greater than 0. So second order condition is satisfied. Satisfied for, you can write FOC and SOC. FOC and SOC are satisfied. Are satisfied for minimization of cost. So the optimum level of the cost function. So the cost function is optimized or optimum level optimized at x equal to 150 and y equal to 100. Optimum cost function is optimized at the level of output x equal to 150 and y equal to 100. And the optimum level of cost, optimum level of cost, PC equal to x plus 75 y square. 50 into x square means 150 whole square plus 75 y square. 75 into 100 square. So 50 into 2250 plus 75 into 140. So altogether it is coming to 862500. 862500. Are all of you clear or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Who said? Shubham.
Yes, sir.
Achha, okay, good. So what we have done, it is similar to the last problem. All the problems what I shall give you next 2-3 days, all are the optimization function. So either that profit function, cost function, or utility function. Next one problem I shall be giving you today, the utility function. So actually what is utility? You have studied utility is something like satisfaction. So suppose you purchase something from the market, after purchasing whether you are satisfied or not. Suppose if you purchase 1 kilogram of sugar, if the shopkeeper asks you 40 rupees per kilogram of sugar, then if you pay 40 rupees, then the shopkeeper has to give you 1 kilogram of sugar. If he gives you less than 1 kilogram, you will not be satisfied. So that is called utility. You are the lover of Rasagolla, you are given first piece of Rasagolla, your level of satisfaction will be very high. That what I discussed in the first semester. Level of satisfaction will be very high. After that second Rasagolla also level of satisfaction is there, but that won't be not like the first Rasagolla. Or you are very much thirsty. When you are very much thirsty, you have been given a glass of water. The level of satisfaction you will get, it will be very high. The score of the satisfaction, ranking of the satisfaction will be very high. But when you are given the second glass of water, then also level of satisfaction you will get, but not like the first one. Third glass of Rasagolla, it will be less. After that, you will refuse, you will not, or you don't like to drink the water, so level of satisfaction is 0. After that you will refuse to take the water, so level of satisfaction is negative. So like this, level of satisfaction increases fast, after that gradually decreases, becomes 0 and becomes negative. So the utility function we will derive here, and the consumer. So far what we have done, you see, profit function for the producer's aspect. So producers wants to maximize profit, and producers wants to minimize cost. So maximization or minimization of producer, so far we have solved. Now the next problem what I shall be giving you, from the consumer aspect. The consumer wants to maximize the utility. So how the consumer's utility will be maximized, at what level of output, that will be our looked out from the next problem. Let me write the problem. Okay, this problem
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir. Sir,
Yes,
the
yes.
answer is wrong. The answer is wrong.
Which one?
Sir, in this sum.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Where it is wrong?
Sir, 150 square, it will be 22,500.
Oh, yes, yes. Thank you very much. 22,500. And this one, correct?
Sir, 18,75,000 is the answer.
Acha, okay, so I don't know if this here. 18 lakhs.
It's 18,75,000.
So 18. Tell me 18.
1875,000.
So all of you have got the same. If you got this one, it's okay, no problem. So now let me write the utility function. This problem will not be completed today, but I shall start and next day I shall complete this problem. But I shall discuss this. You will solve at your home so that next day it will be easier for you to discuss. Find the optimum commodity purchased by a consumer. Find the optimum commodity. Find the optimum commodity by a consumer whose function utility function whose utility function and budget constant constants are u equal to q1 square q2 square and 4q1 plus 8q2 equal to 96 respectively. So consumer's utility function is given u equal to q1 q2 q1 square q2 square and budget constant is 4q1 plus 8q2 equal to 96. So you need to calculate q1 and q2 and after that since consumer wants to maximize its margin, maximize the utility, therefore we need to show that the function is the maximization function. That the second order condition must be less than 0. Second order condition must be less than 0. SOC must be less than 0. These things you have to show here. Q1, Q2 and SOC. So what will you do? Lagrangian function. What will be the Lagrangian function? Who can tell me? Lagrangian function. Saptanov. What will be the Lagrangian function? Saptanov.
Yes, sir.
What will be the Lagrangian function?
That G2 square L11, that one.
Yes. L equal to who answer there? We have put the Silpi Kumari, Silpi Kumari.
Yes.
What will be the Lagrangian function L equal to? Gunjan Sharma.
Yes, sir.
Perhaps Ayaz and Gulfamullah are absent because I did not get response from them when I called first time. Gunjan Sharma.
Yes, sir.
What will be the function of L? L equal to first you have to write this one. Q1
Sir, it's not visible, sir. The ink is very light, sir.
wait. Q1 square square, Q2 square. Now it is visible, I hope. Q1 square, Q2 square, that is this one, plus lambda into 96 minus 4Q1 minus 8Q2. This is the L. After that, what will you do? L1, you will calculate LL by del Q1. You will calculate, and then it will be equal to 0. Then next, L2, del L by del Q2. Then this will be equal to 0. Here this will be equation 1, this will be equation 2. Then L3, del L by del lambda equal to 0 will be equation 3. From calculate equal to how much and y equal to how much, we will calculate. After that, we will go for the second order condition. Second order condition is G2 square L11 plus G1 square L22 minus 2G1 G2 L12, and afterwards, after calculation, you have to prove that it is equal to less than 0. Then only this value x and y will maximize the utility function. So this is your home assignment. Next day I shall ask. Don't worry, I shall be giving you the solution. I want that you have solved at least at home and you are responding. I need your response that you have participated in this teaching learning method. I want that. So you solve this one. I have already said, I have already given you the instructions how you will solve. After that, after solution, you will get x and y and then this one. And then next day I shall give you this solution first and then I shall start to the next problem. Okay, have I made you clear?
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
have I made it clear? So next day you try. You first solve and you know and